So viewers, now we are starting a new topic, artificial intelligence in our everyday life, enhancing our world with technology. So now we will start it. Artificial intelligence or AI might sound like something from the future, but it's already a part of our everyday lives. AI is like having a smart friend who have helped us with various tasks, making things easier and more fun. Let's explore how AI is making a difference in our day-to-day activity. Screen recorders and documentation automation. Example, Scribe artificial intelligence. Explanation. Artificial intelligence powered tools like Scribe automate documentation and testing processes. They create tutorials, training materials, and presentations, improving staff and customer experience. Smart assistants and home assistants. Examples, Siri, Alexa, Google Home Assistant. Explanation. Smart assistants understand voice commands, helping with tasks like setting reminders, playing music, and making calls. They make our lives easier and more organized. Chatbots and prompt writing. Examples, ChatGPT, iMessage, Facebook Messenger. Explanation. Chatbots simulate human conversations, aiding customer service and tech support. Prompt writing. Artificial intelligence generates text based on instructions, assisting in content, creating, coding, and more. Navigation apps. Examples, Google Maps, Apple Maps. Explanation. Artificial intelligence in maps improves travel by providing directions, monitoring traffic, and suggesting optimal routes. It optimizes transportation, saving time and energy. Search and personalized recommendations. Examples, Google search, Amazon recommendation. Explanation. Artificial intelligence based search and recommendation algorithms offer personalized results. They understand our interests, providing tailored content and products. Music and video streaming. Examples, Spotify, Netflix. Explanation. Artificial intelligence suggests music and videos based on our preferences. Over time, recommendations become more accurate, enhancing our entertainment experience. E-payment and social media feeds. Examples, Apple Pay, Facebook, Instagram. Explanation. Artificial intelligence enables secure online transactions. Social media feeds use AI to personalize content, ensuring our online experiences align with our interests.